Hey guys, Tony here. A small little golden nugget to give you guys like a rough estimate of what are the most popular tickers that are being used on right now on TradingView, at least as far as like TA goes, right? And I like looking at these specifically just to kind of give me an idea on what, like the general popularity of certain tickers are, right? I wouldn't look at this. This is my own. These are the tickers that have been used. I'm assuming TradingView does it the most frequently, but if you actually filter it for either exchanges or types, you get a pretty good idea of what the most popular tickers are on the platform, or at least overall. And TradingView is a really good source on figuring out what the most popular stocks are, what the most popular, what is it called? Cryptos are, futures, Forex pairs, whatever. If you actually go into your filter, right? So you're on, so this is the mobile view. This is the mobile TradingView app, right? If you just click on where it says ADA USD right there on the bottom left where it shows your ticker, you click on the filter, which is a little line, the two lines on the top right under the cancel button. You click that, you filter it for just stocks, you go back and you get a pretty good idea of what the most popular stocks are right now in basically all of the NASDAQ, the stock market, right? So number one, Apple, Tesla, SPY, AMC, Amazon. You get a pretty good idea. SPRT, NVIDIA, GME. So you get a really good idea of what the most popular tickers are as far as what people are searching in the stock market, and this sometimes can give you a really good idea of what is like up and coming, right? So SPRT, for example, I know about a week or two ago, I actually saw it like somewhere in the bottom half of this filter. So it's one of those things where you can catch things on early if it's new to the list, right? So definitely something to just kind of keep an eye on when you're looking at the most popular stocks currently right now, the ones that have like the most searches, the most that people are doing TA on, right? So what I like to think when I filter it is, anything in this list is gonna have a really good chance of following technical analysis, because these are the most popular stocks on TradingView, which obviously means that there's a lot of TA being done on all of these stocks. Usually, I like to stick to the top 5 when it comes to TA, because you'll have the best chance of it following technical analysis because they're in the top 5, right? So the same thing you can do for crypto. Let's go with crypto. Obviously, your most popular crypto right now is going to be Bitcoin, like always, and then you're going to have ADA, which is surprisingly coming in at second place. I did not expect that. And then you have Ethereum, Solana, and then you have XRP, then you got Doggy. But you can actually scroll all the way to the bottom and look at which ones are actually doing really well. Like this one, Audio. I have heard about Audio. I don't know what it's been doing recently, but I just heard about Audio, and I actually have seen it get a lot of big popularity recently. So again, it's just a pretty good idea of what tickers or what stocks, what crypto is actually starting to get a lot of popularity, right? And usually, for the ones that are up and coming, I like to stick to the bottom 10, look at which one is actually out of the blue, and stick with it. Like SRM, no idea what that is. Cosmos, I've been hearing a lot about Cosmos. Atom, obviously, and then Wink, which is WIN for the ticker. But again, this gives you a really good estimate of what the most popular tickers are. If you don't have access to like, a platform that keeps track of sentiment over, let's say over like Reddit or something, right? Where you get a bunch of sentiment on retail sentiment. Again, for the indices, same thing. The DXY is the most popular, SPX. So it really goes into detail, and it lets you know which tickers, which symbols, what is actually popular in all these specific categories, right? So again, for the Fred, really just the economy, you can see the most popular ones. On the bottom, you can see that you have, you know, gold manufacturers. I actually think gold is going to be a really good, there's going to be a lot of movement there, but it's really just, you know, an extra way of knowing how certain tickers are more popular than others. And I think for the most part, this can definitely help just by looking at, you know, what I think is actually going to be worked on like by TA, or what I think is actually going to, you know, do well with TA, which is usually like the top 10, top 5 are the most popular ones. And then if you scroll to the bottom, it's really kind of like the up and coming tickers that people are just starting to talk about, especially when they're in the lower half of the trading view filter. So it's super convenient to have, right? Just something that you guys can like know and talk about and stuff. But you know, every once in a while, go to trading view, just filter it out for specific for stocks, crypto, indices, and then look at, you know, the differences. Keep track of it, look at the differences, look at what's upcoming, look at which tickers are popular, and these are going to be your really big like momentum plays. I can guarantee you, like support, for example, support.com, I saw it right here like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, SPRT was like nowhere near where it is now. But again, it's really just an extra little golden nugget for you guys to kind of get like your actual sentiment of how popular certain tickers are, cryptos, whatever. And it's really, it's free from TradingView. You're basically using their search engine to your benefit. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.